Hi, I'm Meg, and this is the Rush Charge universe. You've got all 3 charging tips for every phone built right into this. Your Apple Lightning tip cable, your micro USB, and your USB-C. The great thing is, there's a button on here that you can use to switch out charging tips. So if you have 2 Type-C devices, you can charge at the same time. In case you lose a tip in the process of switching them out, you also get an extra Lightning tip. All you have to do is simply plug your phone right in. Now that's going to give you that extra charge when you need it most, so you can seamlessly talk, text, and order that Uber without worrying about your phone dying. I love that the universe is small, lightweight, and portable. It's something that you can take absolutely everywhere because, of course, it's pocket-sized. If you're going to use something like an Android device, simply just plug it right in, let that charge up, and because we have multiple charging tips in the box, you can even throw something like your Apple AirPods in the charge at the exact same time. Included in the packaging, there will be an extra iPhone and Type-C tip. This way, you'll never feel stressed about a dying phone because with Rush Charge, you will always have that extra bump of power to help you make that call, send that text, or order that Uber. Recharging the device is incredibly easy. You can use any charging cable that you have at home. It recharges with the Lightning, Type-C, and micro USB, so now there is never a need to carry around more than one cable. No more messy, tangled wires with pass-through technology. You can plug in your universe and any 3 devices so they can all be charged at the same time. This way, all your devices will be powered as well as that Rush Charge. Unleash your freedom with Rush Charge. Rush Charge charges all your phones and devices, including tablets, earbuds, headphones, game controllers, Bluetooth speakers, cameras, and more.